Right, so for the first step, if you have acne-prone skin, you want to use a really good moisturizer to make sure the skin is well hydrated throughout the whole process. And then next, you want to start doing the eyes, and with that, I will start with the eyebrows to get the nice frame for her face. So the next step is to prime her eyelids, and if you have dark circles, you can use corrector before that. And here is an eyeliner that I use to deepen the outer corner of her eyes. And then take a transition shade to deepen the outer corner, and use a deeper color to deepen that further. And to match her dress, I'm popping a magenta shimmer shade in her inner and center eyelids. And now I'm lining her lash line. Right, so after finishing the eyes with mascara and eyeliner, we're now moving on to the base, and I'm starting with some correcting on her under eye area and a glow product on her high points. So we're adding this just to give her a natural glowy look underneath her base. Right, so for her base, I'm mixing two shades as listed below in the description box. Just applying it all over her face. And moving on to concealer, I'm adding a concealer shade that's almost similar to her skin tone to conceal the corrector I've applied before. And now I'm applying a lighter shade of concealer on her highlight area. So now I'm just going to set her face with some powder, especially around areas that tend to be a little oily, and just a little bit of shading on her cheeks and her nose, because she has such a small frame, so not too much of contouring should be done. Now I'm just popping a bit of blusher on her cheeks, and we're going to finish the eye look with the lower lash line. Basically just use the three colors that I used before, but just make sure that the outer corner is deeper than the inner corner, and just line her waterline with the same eyeliner that I use for her lash line. And I'm moving on to some contour powder on her cheeks and her nose, and some highlighter on her highlight area. And as for the lips, I'm keeping it really demure and simple to complement her stunning eyes. So I'm just mixing 2 shades using a small brush. You can refer to the description box below for the lip products that I use. Right, so finally the look is done. So I'm just setting her makeup with a setting spray. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this. So do not forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Bye.